Tech Xlovers. Mind-blowing inventions that'll blow your mind. Early Rider SUPER VELIO. The Early Rider SUPER VELIO is a balance bike designed for children between 10 and 24 months old. It is made of lightweight aluminum and has a low seat and wide wheelbase, making it easy for toddlers to learn to balance and ride. The SUPER VELIO is a great way for toddlers to learn to balance and ride a bike. It is also a lot of fun. However, it is important to note that the SUPER VELIO is not suitable for rough terrain. The low seats and wide wheelbase make it difficult to ride over bumps and roads. The Early Rider SUPER VELIO is a great balance bike for toddlers. It is a lightweight, easy to maneuver, and has a number of features that make it safe and comfortable for little ones. Brain-Computer Interface (BCI). Brain-Computer Interface is a system that allows the user to interact with a computer or other device using their brain activity. BCIs are often used by people with disabilities to control devices or communicate with others. There are two main types of BCIs, invasive and non-invasive. Invasive BCIs require the insertion of electrodes into the brain, while non-invasive BCIs use sensors that are placed on the scalp. Invasive BCIs are more accurate than non-invasive BCIs, but they're also more invasive and can have risks such as infection. Non-invasive BCIs are less accurate than invasive BCIs, but they're also less invasive and have fewer risks. BCIs are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. They could be used to help people with disabilities improve our understanding of the brain and create new ways to interact with the world. Grivel G22 Plus. The Grivel G22 Plus is a technical mountaineering component that is designed for use on steep ice and mixed terrain. It features 2 front points for stability and a total of 12 points for grip. The points are made of forged steel for durability and have a T-shaped structure that provides a secure grip on ice. The Crampons also have a heel bail and anti-pop plate to prevent the Crampons from slipping off the boot. The Grivel G22 Plus is a versatile crampon that can be used for a variety of mountaineering activities including ice climbing, dry tooling, and alpine climbing. It is a good choice for experienced climbers who are looking for a high-performance crampon. If you're an experienced mountaineer who's looking for a high-performance crampon, the Grivel G22 Plus is a good option. BCI Speech Broll. BCI Speech Broll is a type of brain-computer interface that allows users to generate speech by controlling a computer with their thoughts. The user wears the capital electrodes that record their brain activity. The computer then uses this data to generate speech, which is then played through a speaker. BCI Speech Broll is still in the early stages of development, but it has the potential to be used by people with speech impairments to communicate more easily. It can also be used by people who are paralyzed or have other physical disabilities that prevents them from speaking. One of the challenges of BCI Speech Broll is that it can be difficult to generate natural sounding speech. The computer needs to be able to accurately interpret the user's brain activity and generate speech that matches the user's intended meaning. Another challenge is that BCI Speech Broll can be tiring for the user. The user has to focus on their thoughts and concentrate on generating speech, which can be mentally taxing. Despite these challenges, BCI Speech Broll is a promising new technology with the potential to help people with disabilities communicate more easily. It is still in the early stages of development, but it is an area of active research and development. BCI Speech Broll is a promising new technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate. It is still in the early stages of development, but it is an area of active research and development. Portable Large Party Nightclub Tent 1704A. The portable large party tent house black LED light inflatable cube party nightclub tent 174A is a large inflatable tent that is perfect for parties, nightclubs, and other events. It is made of a durable material and has a black LED light inside, which makes it ideal for night events. The tent is also equipped with a blower, which inflates and deflates the tent quickly and easily. The tent is 10 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 3 meters high, making it perfect for large events. It is made out of durable materials such as PVC and polyester that can withstand harsh weather conditions. The tent also has a black LED light inside, which makes it ideal for night events. The light is powered by a battery that is included with the tent. The tent is easy to inflate and deflate. It comes with a blower that inflates the tent in few minutes. The blower also deflates the tent quickly and easily. The tent is also portable. It comes with a carrying bag that makes it easy to transport. The portable large party tent house black LED light inflatable cube party nightclub tent 174A is a versatile tent that can be used for a variety of events. It is perfect for parties, nightclubs, weddings, and other events. It is also a good choice for businesses that need a temporary event space. Finoptim ORIGINE 800. The Finoptim ORIGINE 800 is a wood-fired plancha that is designed for outdoor cooking. It is made of stainless steel and has a cooking surface of 800 square centimeters. The plancha is heated by a wood fire that burns in the center of the unit. The fire is fed through 3 side loading ports, which allows for event cooking and prevents the food from sticking to the plancha. The Finoptim ORIGINE 800 is a versatile cooker that can be used to cook a variety of foods, including meat, fish, vegetables, and even desserts. It is also easy to clean and maintain. The Finoptim ORIGINE 800 is a high-quality wood-fired plancha that is perfect for outdoor cooking. It is versatile, easy to clean, and made of durable materials. Please like, share, and subscribe.